guys, so today I went to Zudio because there was a sale running and I just wanted to see what is there, if anything I can purchase. And yeah, the sale was good, like the clothes and shoes, everything were on discount. And the collection was okay, not bad at all. I was just trying to see if I liked anything. But one thing I saw that some of the clothes there were stains on it because it's a sale time, right? So a lot of people do try like this one. So be very careful when you're buying, guys. Hi guys, it is literally the next day. I went to Zudio, I bought few things, but then I did not film because I was very hungry after coming back. So I got dinner, I ate well and I slept. So today I'm gonna do the haul, that's why I'm in a different outfit. And I did go to the Zudio sale. The collection was okay, like strictly okay, not something like very wow, like so many things were there you can purchase and all that. But decent enough collection, you can go and try it out definitely. There's too many options, but then none of them was like outstanding or something like that. It's not like you want to buy in the sale. It was very basic, it was very wrinkled actually most of the outfits, because of course it was like a lot of people were there, it was very crowded, so everybody was like going through the outfits and everything. So and most of the outfits were plain simple, it's like that. So if you're for that, then you can go and check it out. Some of them, I don't know, sometimes when I go to Zudio, I feel like the material is very faded out, it's very like doesn't give that fresh new look for that outfit. So that's one more thing I have in Zudio. But then some of the outfits are really good, but you really need to hunt well and see. So like that, I have got something, guys. Actually, I did not come empty handed, I really wanted to get something, and I saw one, I kind of liked it. It's not exactly what I wanted, but then it was okay. So without any further ado, let's see what I got in Zudio, guys. First up, I got this PJ set. It's an avocado PJ set, and I love PJs. I'm buying so many new PJs because I just run out of them. It gets old, or else it gets loose or something like that. Then I have to throw it. Then I need new one, and I like only the t-shirt material. I do not like any other kind of like PJ, the cotton ones and everything. No, like it has to be like stretchable material. So this is the one that I've got. This is from there was a section for PJs alone, and that's where I got it. It said avocado PJ, but then this is actually avocado. If you see this is avocado, guys, but then it's a very like dried and bored avocado. So it's like the avocado PJ, the highlight itself is that print that you have for avocado, right? But then this one they have given like this. I thought it's okay, not bad at all. So this is the one that I had got. They had only one set left in this, so I picked it up immediately because I really wanted to get like a avocado PJ set. So this is the bottom, and it comes with a matching top, and this is the top, which is really cute actually. So this is the top for the PJ set, and it says Bravocado. So I thought it's really cool. I got like loose sizes because at home you really need loose sizes, you don't want fitting PJ. So I got this. So Bravocado and this pant, they are a set. So I thought it's really cute, and also I like the color. It's like pastel green, so it was really nice. Next, guys, I went towards the end of the section. Zudio keeps changing like where it is for men and women, or I didn't go for long, I don't know. But then I was so confused because they had shifted like men's section here and like women's section there, something they had done. But towards the end when I went, I found few of the good pieces, and I picked two, but then another one I kept it because I did not like it. But this shirt I really liked a lot. I love check shirts, I feel it looks so cool. This and a denim looks amazing. So I got this shirt. It's a little bit loose again, but I do not get the size, and plus this is an L size. It's not like too bigger size I've got or something. It's L size, but it looks super big actually, and it's gonna fit properly. So this is the one that I got. It's a brown and white check shirt, and I did not tell you the price, guys. So this set is actually $6.99, and I got it for $4.99. So this is the actual price, $6.99, and I got it for $4.99 both together. So I thought it was a really good deal because it's a nice one. The material also super soft. This is the kind of PJ I want. It has to be stretchable, it has to be breathable, and that's the kind of PJ that I like. So $4.99, find it is really affordable for this PJ set. And this shirt, guys, again I think it was super affordable. This was $5.99 initially, and it is selling for $3.99 now. So I thought that's again a very good price for a awesome shirt, and I can wear it to work, I can wear it to go outside. It's really nice, right? And yes guys, similar to this I saw another burgundy shade shirt. It had a little bit of design and it was again a shirt format. I'm not such a huge fan of shirt format. Like these checked shirts I like. That was like plain one and it looked more like menswear, but then it was for women of course. But I took it and initially I was like, it looks very nice, but then I was like, I don't think I'll wear it also, to be very honest, because I like super girly tops. Like it has to have frills and like boat neck and all that. I like those kind of tops. So this was still good because I can wear it to work. So I got this and the material is super soft and nice. So yeah, win-win situation. And then from the sale I got this sheet mask, which is not on sale of course guys, because it's already on a very affordable price. It's 49 bucks. But usually I don't buy sheet mask, I buy wipes, like wet wipes I buy, but then sheet mask I don't buy much. I thought I'll just buy and try it because it said Zudio Clarify Salicylic Acid Sheet Mask helps unclog pores for a clear skin. So I thought that would be a good one to try out and see, and it's just 50 bucks actually, 49 rupees. So I thought I'll try it, but although I don't think usually I buy from here, so I just thought I'll try and see how it is. So this is a sheet mask that I got from Zudio, which is not on sale again. But then pretty much these are the three that I got from the Zudio sale guys. So this was for $4.99, this was for $3.99 I think, and this was for $49. And my shopping was like super affordable because actually I did not calculate properly I think. So I was thinking it's going to come like 1,500 or something like that, but then when the bill came it was around 847 rupees. I can't show the bill guys because a lot of details are written where the store is, so and the logos are pretty highlighted, so I'm not going to show that. But it was 847 rupees, which is super good for 3 outfits, like 2 outfits and 1 sheet mask. Sheet mask we can ignore actually. So for these 2 outfits together it costed 847 rupees, which I think is a really good deal, and it's a decent enough deal actually. And I did not get this from sale, but then I think 2 weeks back I had gone to Zudio, just like that I was shopping something. So that time I picked this top. I don't think it was on sale that time. Sale was not running, now only it has started. So I got this brown top. What is my obsession with brown tops? I don't know. So I got this one. It's kind of like a very funny top. If you see, it has this pattern here which is like a lace pattern, and I love lace actually, if you know. And it has this high-low pattern here which I thought is really cool. Look at this, it looks so nice with my blue pants also. So I thought it's a really fancy top, and this is the one that I got guys. Like I told you, I got it 2 weeks back when it was not on sale. I did not find it now actually, I think it's sold out already. So this was $4.99 MRP itself, so it was not that expensive. And this is the one that I got. And again, when I had purchased this brown top, right, I had purchased like a couple of wet wipes. I use a lot of wet wipes while filming guys, so I got so many. I put it on stories actually, and I was explaining each wet wipe, but it was in the fridge because I refrigerate it, and I like to use wet wipes a lot when I'm filming. For face also I use, but then mostly for hands also, because when I'm using foundation, sometimes when I do dab or like some lipstick I tried out or whatever it is, then immediately I take a wet wipe and wipe it. So I use a lot of wet wipes when I'm filming actually, when I do content creation. So I got all these. One I've already started using, and I just got it in different sizes. Also these are really good in Zudio, and they're super affordable actually, because these are just like I think 80 bucks and like 30 bucks and all that. So just for like everyday use, whenever I do content creation, this is super helpful. So all these I got from Zudio, and this was not during the sale time, but again I don't think these are all on sale because it's hardly 30 rupees while they put this on sale. So I did not go to the beauty section because beauty section is not something that I explore that much in Zudio. I'm not a huge fan actually. I don't like the Zudio beauty section because their products are like super affordable, but then the formulation looks very off to me, I'll be very honest. So it's not a brand that I'll incline to for beauty and something to put on my face, no. But then these wet wipes are okay, and the sheet mask first time I'm buying actually, so I want to try and see how it is. But some of the clothes are really affordable in Zudio. Westside also has sale, so I did see that I might want to go to Westside as well. I don't know guys, like because Westside on sale could be a really good option. I don't know guys, I will see, because I have too many clothes, and this also was like I didn't want to buy anything, but then since the sale was going on, and also this is like good, the only thing is space. I don't have space to keep, like all the wardrobes are so full, guys, so I need to stop buying. And I also need to do like a decluttering day again, where I need to see what is old. Actually, my help was asking for a few clothes, so I might have to give her some. Yes, guys, this was the haul. Actually, it's like a mini haul, just like 2-3 products that I got, and some I got like 2 to 3 weeks back, I think. But then I just thought I'll come and show here. So Zudio sale is good, guys. Not just Zudio. I think a lot of stores have discount around this time of the year, so you can go and check it out. Westside has, Zudio has. I think H&M also has. A lot of people were telling H&M has a sale. Zara, I'm not sure. So we might have to check that out. But then this was what I got in Zudio. If you really like this video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. I will see you in another video. Bye, guys.